Hello traders, welcome back to this video. So right here on my screen is with the XT exchange, and you can get up to $3,220 by just signing up on the platform. And I want to walk you step by step on some of the things you need to do to qualify to get this free money to start trading. Number one, this is just for 15 days. This campaign will end in 15 days. By the way, ST is giving $50 to everybody who sign up with the referral code. The link will be in the video description. You can check out my bio for that as well. And I've equally published a detailed, post about this on my Telegram platform. If you are not on Telegram, make sure you join us right now. So by just signing up alone as a welcome bonus, ST is giving you 50 USDT. And you can use this 50 USDT right here. You can use this 50 USDT to trade futures, and whatever profit you make, you keep 100% of that to yourself. Now, when you use this to trade, your fee will be deducted from this, your losses will be deducted from the profit is left to you, right? The profit is left on your account for you, and you can withdraw the profit. It was meant for 50%. Some persons have already started claiming. So if you act right now, you could be among the next 43 persons to claim this 50 USDT. It's very simple. Just complete registration and you claim your 50 USDT for the first 50 persons. Now, if you want to gain more, if you want to have access to more funds, then you need to complete more tax, right? So ST is giving you for officials, okay, they will give you additional 50 USDT if you make a deposit of at least $50, all right? If you make a deposit of at least $50, you get another 50 USDT. So to be able to qualify for this, you make a deposit of $50 and you carry out a trade of 10,000, and you qualify to get additional 50 USDT. Then if you come down here and if you want to get additional $150, all you just need to do is to make a deposit of at least $200, and then you complete a trading volume of at least 30k and you get additional $150. If you want to get $300, you make a deposit of 500, okay, you accumulate about 80,000 in trading volume, you get additional $300, and you can earn $500 if you make a deposit of $1,000, complete a trading bonus of 30,000 to 300,000 rather, and you get that additional bonus, right? So there is equally 20 USDT trial funds only meant for 100 persons. All you just need to do is to accumulate a trading volume of 3,500 and you claim this, right? There's another one for 80 persons. All you just need to do is to accumulate a trading volume of 25,000 and you claim $50, right? If you do up to 75,000, you claim another $100, and it goes on until you can claim up to $500 by just trading. You can qualify for multiple offers at the same time by just trading a certain number of volume on the platform, right? And then there's other one here. You just need to accumulate the futures trading volume of 300k and you claim 100 USDT cash. This is not futures, this is not trading bonus, this is real cash, right? This particular one is real cash. It will be deposited into your account and you claim it and you use it to go enjoy yourself, right? And then ST card for only 3 persons. If you do up to 500, you get the ST card that you can use to spend your crypto around the world, right? So these are the offers, and best of all, guys, there's a 100% cash back too. When you make a deposit, you get a 100% cash back as well on any amount of deposit you make. But the minimum deposit is $50, right? The minimum deposit is $50. So once you create an account, if you are creating the process of creating an account is very simple. You just go ahead and click on sign up, right? And then you just fill in your email, fill your password, and voila, you are good to go. Once you do that, you automatically qualify to get $50. Then as you start completing tasks of deposit and trading on the platform, you can claim more money. And what the amount of money you will claim with just $50 deposited into the platform, you can claim up to $3,220. Because when, for instance, when you complete a deposit, when you complete a trading volume of, let's say 80,000 right here, you claim 300 here, and then you qualify to claim additional where's the next 80,000? This is there's another 80,000 somewhere here. Trading volume of 75,000. You claim additional $100 trial funds. So there's a lot that you can actually claim here, and you can claim up to $3,220, and on top of that you can get the SD card. If you do up to 500,000 in volume, you can get the SD card, and it is just for a limited number of persons. So act right now. And the best part is, if you sign up on the ST platform using the referral code or the link we've provided, right? On the referral code, if you are not seeing anything in the process of signing up, you can just use digital. Make sure you use digital on the referral space where it says referral code, add digital there, and you qualify. So when you sign up, send me your UID. Once you've made a deposit, send me your UID on Telegram, and I'll add you to the private community where you get access to signals, crypto educations. If you want to learn technical analysis, all of that, you have access to it on the platform. So do that right now. And once you finished signing up, you can go to your reward. Just go to your profile, go to Reward Hub, and claim your reward right there. That is it for this video, guys. If you love this, give it a thumbs up. If you have gained value from it, subscribe to the channel if you have not, and hit that notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever we publish new videos like this. So go and take advantage of all of the offers that ST is giving you right now, and don't miss out on any. And I'll see you on the inside.